Good morning, traders. It is Monday, April 11th now, and I'm gonna take a few trades, and just coming back to trading again. And I wanted to let you know that I am going to be starting a mentoring program for those of you that feel you need it or want it. You learn better that way. I know a lot of you have been asking for that, so I'm gonna come out with it and start helping you a bit more now instead of just the videos. And I've got a good idea. I mean, for instance, what I can do is, you could come into a room with me, and you can start either taking some trades or telling me what trade that you would take, and then I can see what it is you're doing wrong if you're doing something wrong, and then I can correct you and teach you, and then you can do it again, and I just keep doing that until you get it right, and then you know what you're doing. It should work perfectly, but I need to do more than just explain to you, and then you learn, and then you go out yourself and go make mistakes. So I need to see you make the mistake, and that way I can help you to do this properly. Because some of you are struggling at this, and you want my help, and I'm going to do the best I can to help you. And I'll custom do a strategy for you, like the time that you want to trade and everything, how you want to trade, whether you want to scalp, whether you want to go for the bigger trade. I'll try to customize something for you, whatever your trading preference is. Anyway, I am going to take a trade here. I'm just waiting for the computer to give me a tell on whether it wants to go up or down. Probably going to be offset here, I bet. And then it's going to continue down. That's my guess at this point, just waiting for the computer to confirm that. I'll come right back. Okay, I took a long entry, and it went up just about maybe 5 ticks or so, and then it turned around and gave a short entry just now. So the computer is indicating that it's going to go down now. So what I did is I reversed the position, just reversed and closed, and I am now short. So computer's indicating it's going to go down. I'm just going to watch it here and let it go down, and if it says it wants to go back up, I'll of course reverse and close and ride it back up. So I'm just following the computer, whatever it says right now. I will come back shortly and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. But a mentoring program is coming, and I plan to watch you trade, and then, because if you're having a problem, that means you're doing something wrong, obviously. And so all you need me to do is to figure out what it is you're doing wrong and then correct you. Now, if you don't know what it is you're doing wrong, I could teach you for the next 50 years, and you're still going to do what you don't know is wrong. You're still going to do the same thing, not understanding, not because you just don't realize what you're doing. But when I see you do it, I'll realize it right away, and then I'll be able to help you and correct you, and then teach you, and then fix your problem, and then get you to be successful. It should 100% work. So I am going to try it. I promise that I'll do my best I can to help all of you learn how to do this. It's really not that hard, but you just need somebody to look over your shoulder and tell you what you're doing wrong. And I believe that that'll work. Okay, I'm going to come back shortly. This trade may not make it to the exit. I'm not sure. I'm just watching the computer to see if it wants to go long. It may all of a sudden give a long entry, and of course I'll go along with it. Anyway, I'll come back shortly. Okay, it made it to the exit there. I'm just looking for another signal from the computer to let me know which way it's going to go, and I'll take another trade. You can get 50 trades a day, I think, out of this, something like that. You can get quite a few. So I'm just going to take a few and show them to you. Anyway, I'll come back shortly. Okay, I've taken a long position here. I'll come right back. Computer has given an indicator that it is going to move up. You know, I can basically follow it non-stop, 24 hours a day, and tell you which direction it's going to go. Not with 100% accuracy, of course, but with a good deal of accuracy. And that's what this is all about, basically. So anyway, and I can do it with all the instruments, not just oil. A lot of people think I can just do this with oil, but all of the instruments out there are all controlled by the same computer. So basically, when you learn how to trade oil, you learned how to trade everything. If you learned how to trade, you know, the E-mini, it would be the same thing as oil, or the Forex, same thing as oil. There's no difference. The only difference is in the second system. The first system is the same for everything. I'm going to start demonstrating this and show that, you know, you can tell which direction it's going to go. You know, all instruments, not just oil. And also, I'm setting up to film on camera myself and my computer in the background. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate, without even taking trades, because I don't really need to, that I can tell which direction it's going to go. Just keep telling over and over and over again which direction it will go. All instruments. I'll do it for the Forex. I'll do it for the DAX. I'll do it for everything. You name it. Everything of consequence. You know, I don't want to do things that aren't moving, but anything that's moving, I'll demonstrate how you can tell which direction it's going to go, non-stop. Anyway, I'll come back shortly and show you the progression and, of course, the outcome of this trade. It's moving up here, but I don't know if it's going to make it to the exit. I may exit a little bit short. We'll see. I'll try to determine that in a minute here. So it might shoot up to the exit. It might come real close and then not make it. It's been running a little bit tight lately, so, you know, caution is warranted. You know, you could go for like 15 ticks instead of 20 and do a bit better. Okay, I'll come right back. If it does go back down to like the 29, I'm just going to manually exit from here. So I'll come back shortly. Okay, I just manually exited there. I will come back shortly and take more trades. Okay, I've just taken a short position here. As you can see, it's already gone down quite a bit here. Don't know how much further it's going to go, but the computer is giving a short signal here, saying that it's going to go down. May go down 10 ticks, may go down 20. Can't really say that, but it is giving an entry here to go short. So I have taken it short. Let me calculate my stop real quick. 9. It's like a 15 tick stop, which I don't really like, but nothing I can do about that. Anyway, I will come back shortly to update you on this trade. I'll be back soon. Okay, I just decided to exit that trade manually. I'm going to get another signal here shortly, and I'm going to see which direction it wants to go now. It may want to pop back up here and start coming back up, I'm not sure. But I'm just going to wait for the computer to give me a signal, and then I will take the appropriate direction. But so I'll come right back. Okay, I have taken a long position because the computer has indicated that it is going to move up now. So I was right in that I wanted to exit the trade because there was a chance that it might pop back up here, which is exactly what it's going to do. So anyway, I will come back shortly to show you the progression and the outcome of this trade, but I may exit this somewhere around 15 ticks or so, sort of in the scalp mode. Instead of letting it go 20, you know, I could let it go 15 instead, because it's choppy. It's a bit choppy, a bit slow, a bit choppy. So go with whatever it's doing. Anyway, I will come back shortly to show you the progression and outcome of this trade. Okay, I have placed a break-even stop right there. It's really, really close. Gonna hit. Okay, there it goes. I'm gonna come back shortly here and take another trade. Okay, I've taken another long position here. The computer has just given away a tell again, that it is going to move higher now. So I'm long, and let's see if it doesn't shoot higher here. It should. I will come back shortly to show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. Okay, that's exactly what it's doing. It's shooting higher here. Don't know if it's going to make it to the exit though or not. I'm looking at it here. There's a pretty decent chance it's going to make it here. I'll come back shortly and show you at least the outcome of this trade. Okay, I just manually exited. It had just gone right up to the 35 there, and I just decided to go ahead and exit. So I'm out of that trade, and I will come back shortly to take another trade or two. I'm running out of time here. I'm going to get going, but I'll come back and take another trade or two. And just to remind you again, to mention it one more time, I am going to be coming out with a mentoring service here. I'm going to try to start it next week, and then I will do my best to help all of you that need it and that want it to learn how to do this. I'm going to have two of them. One of them will be for those of you who have already purchased, you're struggling, you need some help, you want me to watch you trade and correct you what you're doing wrong. Two, those of you who have not purchased the videos and you want to just learn with somebody one-on-one or whatever, I will be offering that as well. It'll be more expensive than the videos, but I think it'll be better. It will cut down on any and all confusion, and we get right to the heart of it all, and I can custom design a system, the trading technique for you. There's so many different ways you can learn how to use this system, how to apply it. You can apply it in many different ways. So I'll custom design something for you and help you and watch you trade and get you going so that you know what you are doing. That's all you need. And then you don't need me anymore. Anyway, I will be back to take some more trades. Okay everyone, I just got a bit busy there and I've got to run now. I've got to go call it a day. I will be back though to start doing some more trading, and the most important thing for me right now is to get the mentoring program started, to start helping those of you that need it, and I'll do my best with that. And I'll be back to do more trainings. I know a lot of you like to see me trade. You're learning from that as well, those of you who got the course and everything. So I will come back and do more trading. Try to trade every day, but I just can't get to it every single day anymore. But I will do my best to trade more for you and to start the mentoring program and help all of you the best I possibly can. Anyway, I will go. I'll try to be back tomorrow to do some more trading. I hope you traders are hanging in there and doing well. I know some of you are doing really super well, so congratulations on that. For those of you struggling, I will do my best to help you. I will hopefully talk to you tomorrow. Take care and happy trading.